largest and most powerful space telescope ever made, the Webb Telescope will open our eyes to parts of the universe never seen before.
We're building a telescope that will watch the universe make the first galaxies after the Big Bang. We're going to look back more than 13.5 billion years ago and watch the universe make these galaxies, and then be able to study how the universe changes across all of cosmic history.
7 times larger than the Hubble telescope, Webb will orbit 1 million miles above the Earth, using infrared readings to see fainter objects.
We put it so far away because it's an infrared telescope. It's looking for heat. We don't want it to be close to the Earth, which is a very bright source of infrared radiation.
The multi-billion-dollar project from NASA and the European and Canadian space agencies has been decades in the making due to the complexity of getting a telescope of its magnitude prepared to go deep into space, as well as constructing it to withstand extreme temperatures on its journey.
Because the mirror itself isn't surrounded by a tube, rather we have on just one side of our spacecraft what we call the sun shield. It acts kind of like a parasol that keeps the infrared radiation from the sun, the Earth, and the moon from hitting the telescope. And while the sun-facing side of our sun shield is about almost 400 degrees Fahrenheit, by the time you get to the other side, it's almost minus 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We like to say it has an SPF of about 1 million.
The telescope is currently in French Guiana, preparing for launch on December 18th.
But in just a few years from now, you'll be able to go out and look up at the night sky and point to a region and say, right where I'm pointing, there's a planet out there that's kind of like Earth. And I think that's pretty exciting.
For AccuWeather, I'm Kim Luffler.